Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change live caption styles on your Windows 11 PC. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change it, and I'm going to show you the current style there is, and you will see how it works in live real time, right? So let's right click on the Windows icon and go to settings, because that's where it is, and on the left hand side click on accessibility. Now from here you want to scroll down and you will find the caption options under hearing, so click on that. And if you want to turn this on, just simple toggle it on. Another shortcut how to turn this on, as well, as you can see here, is that you need to press the Control L Windows, whatever, just make sure that you press this 3 key, and it's going to turn on the live caption for you. If enable it or turn it on for the first time, it's going to pop up at the top and it's going to load up some percentage, and then it's going to say ready, you have it enabled. So how do you change? As you can see, the current style that I have right here, and below you have the caption style. If you look towards the right hand side of this little bottom section, you have the current black and white. So you can click this drop down and you can see, like, for example, small caps, or you can choose the yellow and blue or whatever, right? So this is how it looks. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this in, for example, yellow and blue, and show you how it looks, and then we'll do another example where we will switch it to, for example, large text, right? So you can see how that looks, right? So let's put in the yellow and blue. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open up a video on my computer. So I have some videos there on my PC, so I'm gonna open up a recording, and this is gonna be a video of me showing you how to turn on the live caption. So if you don't know how, this is also another video or next part of that video. So I'm going to open up this video right now, and I would like to mention that in order for this to work, you once the video starts to play, the video volume must be up. If the video volume is turned down, the caption will not play. So that's one little thing to know, that it doesn't magically detect that the video have an audio, and then it should show the live caption and you can just read, or what read the text without the video volume shown. A secret trick to that is to make the video volume really low but still hearable. So if you understand what I mean, and yeah, it will work. But if the video is mute or the volume is absolutely down to zero, it will not work and you will not see the caption. So let me open up a video, and I'm gonna turn this video down, as I said, so the video volume is still working. So how do we turn on live caption? Again, Control Windows key on your keyboard and L, and you will see it pops up, and in a few seconds you will see that it start to show. And this is basically the blue and black, so it shows the blue and the black. Let me go ahead, and you can see here that it's currently playing the text, and yeah, it's currently working, right? So let me go ahead and close it and switch it, right? I'm not sure if you switch it in real time while a video is playing if it will work. Let me try anyways. So let's go back to our settings, and you can see at the top there, it's just showing the live caption. So if I switch this to, for example, large text, yeah, it actually works. So if you switch it in real time while you have a video playing, it will actually play that video as well. So that's how you can easily do it. So if you have that, you can actually see the live text on your video. So that's how you can easily switch it, guys. And once you're testing that, you should be able to see it on your computer, right? So that's how you can easily go ahead and do it. So you will see it at the top. I would like to mention that one thing, I'm recording my screen, so in case you don't see the live text showing here, it is an extra layer on the top of the window. I hope that it's showing, but in case it's not, you will see that it's actually working when you test it for yourself. It will be an extra banner, or let's say an extra layer at the top of your window, of extra section where it's going to show that caption. But that's how it works. That's how it works, right? I am not for even for the previous video that I recorded, I will need to double check that recording as well, just to see if it actually captures. But yeah, this is the video actually. So let me check towards the end of this video if it's actually recorded. And yeah, it actually there in the video. Oh wow, that's good. I actually was thinking about that it will not show, because I didn't see at the top of the video if it actually covers that. But yeah, you can see that once that it captures it. So that's it. So that's what I wanted to double check, guys. But there you have it, guys. Actually, so that's how you can easily go ahead and change it. Let me close this video and actually go back to the settings. So if you want to change the text here, the layer, just simple go ahead and change the caption style by choosing whatever you want, small text or small caps or whatever it might be, and that's how you basically do it. It's really up to you. With that said, guys, thank you guys for your time. I hope you found this video useful and enjoyable, and give this video a like. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.